How can old school techniques along with a PDR-first repair method put you on a track to higher profit margins and better cycle times? We're going to find out next. The paintless dent repair industry has been working on tools and techniques to do more old school type repairs for many years now. It's amazing to see how many damaged panels just need some TLC with the right glue tabs or a good PDR leverage rod with a soft broad tip, or in some cases an ultra sharp tip for stiff body lines and kinks. The challenge is working with the thinner gauge metal on these new vehicles. Having an experienced PDR technician is key to successfully implementing these types of repairs. The idea behind doing successful repairs and saving panels from replacement is using the right tools. Nowadays, you have access to large glue-pulling pucks several inches in diameter. These pucks can be glued to damaged areas, giving you the ability to make tremendous pulls to the area being repaired. Then, there's the next level of repair. Several companies have come out with weld-on tabs that make precise pulls. Small areas can be ground down and small tabs shaped like keys that can be welded in tight succession to give focused pulls in critical areas. In order to use one of those systems correctly, you must have the mindset of a metal finisher, knowing the correct way to use reflection techniques instead of the feel approach. You need an adjustable PDR light. Once you have the feel of using a PDR light to see the progress of repairs, you'll really like the value of turning part replacement money into labor repairs whenever possible for a much higher profit margin. All of this is still based on that every panel can or should be saved. But if you do these repairs for a living, there's probably a job you've had recently that could have benefited from these techniques. With so many resources online, it's easy to start learning some of these techniques. YouTube is an amazing place to start. Several websites have subscriptions to tutorial videos that can help anyone start to transition into PDR-first type repairs. Watch tool reviews and study different lighting for panel saving ideas. Sending an open-minded tech to some training classes is probably the best bet. Hands-on training with the right school can put you on the fast track to higher profit margins of converting parts to labor. Setting yourself apart from your competition will be beneficial as the collision industry changes. Manufacturers are getting more involved with the how and where of repairs of their vehicles. Using some old school techniques along with a PDR-first repair method will definitely put you on a track to higher profit margins and even better cycle times. I'm Jason STAHL. Thanks for watching.